Alright, Smoke Wagon 45 here. So several years ago, garage door got dented in, this bottom panel here, and we replaced it, and there was just one little crease. It wasn't even cut through, but it was just a little dent. And now it's growing, so we have another door, complete door, on order. Because this one is getting so bad, when it goes up, it buckles in and is about ready to drop down. So I've tried to reinforce it. So I have a new garage door coming. Should hopefully be here in the next week or two. And it's going to be fully insulated. And this third row is going to have windows so I can actually see outside. Because I want to make this into a shop. And got a lot of work to do, but I have to move everything around once the door is in place and go through all my tools so that I can do some of my projects that I have planned. So like the Hawken rifle, some leather work. I'm going to try using some shooting bags and other leather work. But I got to get that garage door installed. I'm hoping, they said 3 to 4 weeks, and this is week 3. So, yeah, you can see it's in bad shape. It's about ready to drop out. So that's a must. That's got to get done. It's all jacked up. Doesn't want to go all the way down. So it's in bad shape. So hopefully be able to get this garage straightened up and in order so I could do some of my little projects. Also bought a ankle weaver to weave the straps for like the shooting bags and different things. So got a bunch of little projects in store and just needing to get it all done and ready to go. All right, Smoke Wagon 45.